I hear the rain tap on my window, soft like a whisper in my soul. Gray skies paint a calm tomorrow, and I finally lose control. Wrapped in blankets, time stands still. No rush, no race, just breathe and feel. The world outside is wet and wild, but in this peace I'm like a child. Don't need the sun to shine on me. The rain is where I'm meant to be. Rain washing all the weight away, falling slow. I love the gray. This is where I feel alive. When the storm begins to rise, nothing else I need to do. Just be still, just be true. My favorite days, they fall like this. Before they drop, I find my bliss. Quiet, soft and low, as puddles dance in evening glow. I sip my thoughts like morning tea and let the silence carry me. No pressure now, no plans to keep, just dreams that wander slow and deep. Rain washing all the way away, falling slow. I love the ground. This is where I feel alive. When the storm begins to rise, nothing else I like to do. Just be still, just be true. My favorite days, they fall like this. With every drop I find my bliss. Let it pour, let it stay. I don't need a sunny day. In the rain, I find my way. Here I drift and here I stay. Every drop a sweet escape, every storm a warm embrace. I don't run, I don't hide. This is where I come alive. Rainy days, I hold them near. Let the thunder set the mood. My soul feels light, my mind feels clear. Rainy days, I hold them near.